Hello students, hope you all will be good and fine. I'm Malik Hamid, starting a new mathematical channel with the name Math with Malik Hamid. First of all, I'll give intro about myself in few lines that I'm Malik Hamid Ali, I'm field mathematics, uh, having more than 8 year experience in same field, teaching maths to grade metric and inter both. um, I have planned it. I'm starting this YouTube channel. So first of all I will make video about the grade 9, and in coming future soon I will upload the video about grade 10th, and further I will go on. So let's start the video about grade 9. Start the video. Exercise 1.1, as you know, exercise 1.1, in question number 1 and 3 of exercise 1.1, the concept of real line is mentioned here. So we have to लर्न व्हाट इज नंबर लाइन. नंबर लाइन का नंबर लाइन एक ऐसी लाइन होती है जिस पे नंबर्स लिखे होते हैं. इन नंबर लाइन को नंबर लाइन क्यों कहा जाता है? Why number lines are called number lines? Because the numbers are written on a line, simple. And why it is called real line? Because the real numbers are written on its line. There is a straight line, zero is between them, it's called origin. Zero is called origin. On the right side of zero, there are positive numbers. There are positive numbers are written on right sides, and negative numbers are on the left side of exercise 1.1. This exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Represent each numbers on number line. Sorry for that. Question 1 is the first part. 3 mentioned 3 by 4. 3 by 4, when we divide 3 by 4, we get the answer in decimal 0.75. Simply, how we represent this number? Simply draw a line. Okay. As 0.75, a number is between 0 and 1. If there is 0, if there is 1. 0.75, let make it's between 0.5, or it will be near here 0.75. 0.75. This is 0.5. So 0.7 is between 0 and 1 on the number line. You can write positive and negative numbers on number line to present it. Let's take another slide. Slide number 2. In second part of this question, the question is minus 1 by 3. In third part, it's 4 whole four whole 1 by 2. The fourth part, minus 1 by minus square rooted. Yes. In the fifth part, there is square root 8 minus 1 by 3. When we divide 1 by 3, we will get answer of 0.333 up to so on. We call this decimal number as a recurring decimal number. We can write it in this form. So let's represent its number is between it is between 0 and because it's a negative number, so it will be between 0 and minus 1, between 0 and minus 1. Let's simply present a line here. If there is a 0 here and minus 1 is here, or plus 1 is here, 0 1, or if it is minus 0.5, then we call this 1 2 3 4. So it will be here 0 minus 0.3. Next question is 4 whole 1 by 2. 4 whole 1 by 2. It's a mixed form of fraction. How we solve it? As you already know that we multiply denominator with the whole number to multiply 4 to the 8 plus we add this number. Okay, multiply this number 8 and we add 1, we get a 9 by 2. So when we divide 9 by 2, we'll get the answer 4.5. It's a simple question. Hope you can do by yourself. Move to the next question. It is square root of 8 minus negative square root of 8 or positive square root of 8. Simple this question. Positive square root of 8, when we take in decimal form, we get the answer of 2.8. It is minus 2.8. Simple is that minus 2.8 को ड्रॉ करना हो तो ये किसके बिटवीन होगा? इट विल बी बिटवीन minus 1 and when you move करें minus 1 0 on the left side of 0 there are minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, so it will be between minus 2 and minus 3. Yes, this number is between minus 2 and minus 3. Simply draw this on a number line. Number line draw करते हैं हम इसको का line. Simply take a line here. 0 is between this. Let's take a line again. Sorry students, I will let me take a line again. Draw a line. If you take this is 0 on the left side, this is minus 1, this is my negative 2. If you take this is negative 3, then this is approximately here it will be minus 2.8. Similarly, you can draw positive 2.8 by yourself. You have, you can do it, or you have to do it. It's simple, just like we go toward the right side of origin, and it will be between 2 and 3, positive 2 and positive 3. So move to the next part of this question. Part number 6. Part number 6 is minus 4 whole 1 by 2. We get the answer, as you know, it will be 9 by 2, and it will become minus 4.5. Similarly, this will be between, okay, students, let's draw a line. Negative 4.5, 0, we move toward the left side, negative side of numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. So it is simply negative 4.5, so it will be between, exactly between negative 4 and negative 5. Simple. The next question is 1 by 3. 1 by 3, 7th part. 7th part is 1 by 3. 1 by 3, exact 3 we will get. Okay. When we divide this is a recurring decimal number because 3 is repeated again and again. Simply you can do by yourself. Next, the last part of this question is minus 7 by 8. 7 minus last part, 8 part, minus 7 by 8. When we divide the 7 by 8, what answer we will get? Simply you will get 7 by 8, will get the answer about minus 0.875. Yes. So tell me, the student, that minus 0.875, where it lie on the number line? Simple. It is lie between 0 and negative 1. Simple. So let's do the last part of question number 1. 0, if you take this as minus 1, this is 0.5, it will be here, approximately it will be here, minus 0.8. Yes. So we have completed a question number 1 of exercise 1.1. Let's move to the next question number 3. Question number 2 is about the properties of real number. We will do it later. And let's move to the question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is represent the following numbers on a number line. Represent a number line. Okay. I will write the question. The question is represent on number line. This is very easy question. You just have to focus on learn the concept. The first part is x less than, x is less than 0. Simple. X is less than 0. You draw a number line. It is 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4. It's -1, -2, -3, and onward. Up x less than 0, what does it mean? X less than 0. Is 0 is included? No, 0 is not included. We make a circle here, but circle will be not filled. And make an arrow on the left side and make an arrow. Just like this. This shows that all the numbers included less than 0. 0 से नंबर तमाम छोटे नंबर इसके अंदर सोल्यूशन में आते हैं. x less than 0 मतलब this is a symbol of less than, symbol of less than, less than. सेकेंड पार्ट इज पहले फोर पार्ट देख लेते हैं. फोर पार्ट इज सिमिलरली जस्ट लाइक x इज ग्रेटर देन 0. सिंपल. यू विल मेक अ सर्कल हियर. ठीक है. जस्ट let me draw a line here simply. My handwriting is not good because I am all 0, will not fill the 0 and make an arrow toward the right side. Yes. Next part number second. X is greater than -3 and less than 3. Simple. 3, draw a line here. If you take a 0 here, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3. Positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. We make a circle on -3 and +3. Combine both circles with a line. Simple align. Because -3 and +3 के between तमाम numbers शामिल हैं. Assignments for you students, solve it these 3 part and in the comment section write your answer in the comment section below. And if you face any problem regarding solving these 3 parts, tell me that I will inshallah tell you in the next video. Thank you.